and welcome to another episode of CUET General Knowledge. Let's begin. Who discovered the circulation of blood in the human body? Hippocrates, Andries Vesalius, Claudius Galen, or William Harvey? The correct answer is option D, William Harvey. William Harvey, an English physician, discovered the circulation of blood in the human body. Next, the Battle of Stalingrad was fought during which war? World War I, World War II, Korean War, or Vietnam War? The correct answer is option B, World War II. The Battle of Stalingrad, fought between Nazi Germany and the Soviet Union, was one of the most significant battles in World War II. Next, which river is the longest in the United States? Mississippi River, Colorado River, Missouri River, or Ohio River? The correct answer is option C, Missouri River. The Missouri River is the longest river in the United States, following through 7 states. Next, the Chichen Itza ruins belong to which ancient civilization? Aztec, Inca, Maya, Olmec? The correct answer is option C, Maya. Chichen Itza is a large pre-Columbian archaeological site built by the Maya civilization in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. Next, who invented the first practical automobile? Carl Benz, Nikola Tesla, Henry Ford, or Gottlieb Daimler? The correct answer is option A, Carl Benz. Carl Benz is credited with inventing the first practical automobile in 1885, known as the Benz Patent Motor Wagon. Next, the Great Wall of China was primarily built to protect China from which nomadic group? Mongols, Huns, Turks, or Tibetans? The correct answer is option A, Mongols. The Great Wall of China was built to protect the Chinese Empire from invasions by Mongol tribes from the north. Next, which element is most commonly used in the production of solar panels? Silicon, gold, iron, or aluminium? The correct answer is option A, silicon. Silicon is the most commonly used material for manufacturing solar panels due to its efficiency in converting sunlight into electricity. Next, the Himalayas are primarily formed by which type of tectonic plate movement? Divergent boundary, convergent boundary, transform boundary, or subduction boundary? The correct answer is option B, convergent boundary. The Himalayas were formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, a process that is part of a convergent boundary. Next, which is the first country to introduce a carbon tax? United States, France, Sweden, or Japan? The correct answer is option C, Sweden. Sweden was the first country to introduce a carbon tax in 1991 aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Next, which element is the lightest in the periodic table? Beryllium, helium, lithium, or hydrogen? The correct answer is option D, hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element in the periodic table with an atomic number of 1. Now it's time for the practice question. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, or Mumbai? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.